In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11E, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Bluetooth section right away. Then use this switcher to activate it if it's not already on, and wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one you want to connect to and wait for the pop-up. Now you need to click on this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable it, and after you decide it, hit pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. Quick tip: if you are trying to pair with another tablet or with a smartphone, you will need to accept connection request manually on the second device. You don't have to do that in case of, for example, a speaker. Anyway, my devices were successfully connected, so now I can manage this connection by clicking on this icon next to connected device. Here you can manage those two options by tapping on the switches next to the chosen ones. Tap on Connect if you want to, for example, reconnect with your headphones now, or Forget if you want to forget this pairing. In this case though, you need to confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!